Is it safe to grow vegetables using moldy soil? Joellen, so what do you think about that, moldy?
Yeah, I feel her pain.
Okay.
I've
You
got
feel her
bags
pain,
of
huh?
soil, and there in the corner, part of it is all moldy. And, you know, I tend to not use it for what I'm going to, you know, like potting soil or for in the containers and stuff to my vegetables, or mix it with this amendment. But I will put it in the compost pile, or put it somewhere in the yard where there might be a low spot and I need some soil in there to make it up a little higher. I'll put it in there. I will use it. I'm not going to get rid of it because it's trying to decompose. So I mean, that's nothing terrible about that. But I'm sure she could use it, but I usually just take that. It's usually only part of the bag, and I use it for other things and let it continue to decompose in other areas.
Okay. Dot, what you think about that?
Well, I had a lot of questions about her question,
Okay,
because is she using potting soil that's molded, or is she looking at an area of her yard that's got moldy soil? And obviously if it is moldy, that means it's too wet. So she does not need to plant in that area, you know, with vegetables, because it's obviously a slow draining and wet place if mold is growing there. You know, so, or, you know, if you're just going to get soil from an area and put it in your garden just to add more organic matter or something, you know, I would say there's not any problem with that, because there's going to be, it's going to die if you incorporate it in there, you know. So, I don't know. I mean, depending on the situation, I would say she could use it or not use it.
Okay.
But if I was if she's going to use container garden, then I wouldn't use it in that, because you don't want it to decompose in there while you're trying to grow vegetables. So I would just set that little part that's moldy aside and use it for something else. I wouldn't discard it. I still use it.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.